Welcome to KTVB News. Now to Julie with a breaking news story.
Breaking news. Wolves are coming out of nowhere and attacking humans. This is a very dangerous situation. We at KTVB recommend that you stay in your homes. Now to Paul on the scene.
I'm on the streets. But there are wolves everywhere. The police are doing everything in their power to stop them. As you can hear, the police are shooting at the wolves. It's working so far, but eventually, they'll run out of ammo and get mauled. Wait! A wolf is chasing me. Help! Somebody help me.
Paul? Are you okay? Paul, get in a building and lock your doors. Use armed protection, or you'll get killed by the wolves. Don't go outside until the all clear.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Ada County Sheriff's Office. This is a civil danger warning. Wolves are invading Ada County and are attacking civilians. All citizens are encouraged to seek shelter now. Lock all windows and doors. If you have time, board up all external windows and doors. Repeating, wolves are attacking civilians and you should seek shelter now. Please stay tuned for further updates regarding this dangerous situation.
Clear is given.
We are KTVB, and we are discontinuing programming. Repeating, KTVB is off the air.
Droga pra pior.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Ada County Sheriff's Office and the Centers for Disease Control. This is a civil danger warning. The wolves announced in an earlier alert have been discovered to be infected by a virus spread by a bite. Some of these wolves now seem to have bullet-resistant skin. This disease makes wolves more angry and smart, causing them to attack cities. While this disease does not seem to do anything to humans, it is recommended to stay away from all wolves and avoid being bitten by any creature at all costs. Use armed protection against all hostile creatures. Repeating, wolves are attacking civilians. Stay inside and use armed protection.
Will! Go!
"16 minutes ago, martial law was declared by the Governor of California. This is in effect for the state of California until further notice. For further information, tune to Channel 11. We are DirecTV, and we will now discontinue programming for the duration of this emergency." California State Government. 17 minutes ago, the Governor of California declared martial law. The state is under lockdown. All citizens that are not civil authorities are required to immediately return to their homes. Civil authorities and military personnel are required to report to the nearest civil authority outpost or military base now. Failure to report is punishable by death. Repeating, all citizens are required to return to their homes unless they are a soldier or civil authority. If you are a soldier or civil authority, report to your nearest outpost now. If you don't, you will be shot on sight. The Governor of California will speak on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is a martial law statement. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this martial law statement message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the California state government to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. We are HGTV, and we will continue to serve the Boise area. If you are not in this local area,
stand by for a message from the Governor of California.
Good afternoon, everyone. Because the governor is unavailable at the moment, I, one of his representatives, has been asked to tell you why he authorized martial law. Martial law has been declared because of growing risks of the wolf attacks, along with other things. Anyways, the exact details of the declaration, the governor asked me to say this speech that he was supposed to say. I, the Governor of California, declare that all citizens are required to seek shelter in their homes, and also authorities are required to report on duty due to the growing risks of the wolf attacks and the fact that they are all associated with a disease that can harm humanity. Martial law will be enforced with any method necessary, either or not. The specific details are a waste of time to describe. That's all the info we have for you. So I return you to the emergency alert system.
This concludes all operations of the emergency alert system. All stations may now resume regular program. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is a civil danger warning. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this civil danger warning message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. We are KTVB, and we will continue to serve the Los Angeles area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations serving your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Boise area. Do not use your telephone. Telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The wolves are spreading to other states, and their attacks are evolving. As a last resort, at 4:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, President Obama has ordered the nuclear bombing of all cities that the wolves populate. The explosion will occur in 30 minutes. Everyone in the continental United States is strongly encouraged to seek out a fallout shelter immediately. If no such shelters are nearby, get as far underground as you can. Get away from windows. By using everyday household objects, shield yourself from the outside world. Do not exit your shelter unless told to do so by civil authorities, as deadly nuclear fallout will spread after impact. Please stay calm, and follow these instructions immediately. Repeating, major cities are being nuked. This message will be retransmitted in 5 minutes. The United States is strongly encouraged to seek out a fallout shelter immediately. If no such shelters are nearby, get as far underground as you can. Get away from windows. By using everyday household objects, shield yourself from the outside world. Do not exit your shelter unless told to do so by civil authorities, as deadly nuclear fallout